Hi everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I have a Disney Pixar Toy Story Woody to open. It says it has 30 plus sounds and phrases, and you pull the string on the back and you only pull it a short distance. I'll show you. It's called Roundup Fun Woody by Mattel, and I got this at Walmart. It says 30 years, so I think it's the 30-year anniversary. Ages 4 and up. Let me show you the back. So see the string? You just barely pull it.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
Uh-oh.
Ride like the wind.
Okay, so I'm going to show you all the things he says before I open this because he's kind of flimsy. Well, not flimsy, but you know, he'll fall down. Well, I could hold him and do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay, got that off his neck. I got that off his boots. Hey, partner. Let's get you out of there. Okay, I got that off of that hand. So he's got some plastic right here. I don't know how to get it off. Okay, let's see if it is attached to the back. No. Okay, let's pull him out. Uh-oh, I dropped one of my McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Okay, put that in the floor. Hi, Woody. Let's see. Okay. No. I think I'm going to have to cut this plastic here. Okay, I got Woody out. And see, you can keep this and cut the plastic. Oh, I forgot his hat. Boy, that was loud, huh? I got his hat. Okay, let's move this. Okay, there's Woody's hat. It's nice, too. It's like a thick, nice vinyl. Okay, this is really good quality. And here's Woody. Wow, he's heavy. I'm surprised at what good quality it is. So he has real nice heavy boots. I hope you can see him. The sun's coming up in the window. It's got a holster for a gun. There's no gun in it. A belt. What's his hands? And got a little red scarf on his neck, and that cute. And what does that say? Does that come in? Sheriff. So he's got a sheriff star on him. His mouth is open. Okay, the back. I just love this. I want all the characters. His belt. His boots are really pretty and they have spurs on them. They're good quality. Okay. So, I'm going to put his hat on and, whoops, kind of got some dust. I don't know how. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, Woody, there's your hat. So, I'm going to start showing you what he says.
We're in this together, partner.
1.
Whoa! Whoa! You're not getting away from us, Bandit. Whoa! Easy there, partner.
I want Bandit too. I think if I had the horse, I could put him on the horse. Maybe. But if the horse is like him, it might fall. You know? Okay, let's see what else he says.
Hey, howdy, hey. Thanks Thanks to deputies like you, the Wild West is safe.
Wow. I really love this. It's just like the one in the movies.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Yay.
Whoa!
Look at his eyes. I just think, like the movie, any minute I'm going to put him down to go do something and he's going to come alive.
Gotcha!
Maybe.
You're my favorite deputy.
Aw.
A sheriff always needs his deputy.
And it's got little belt loops, for his belt, which looks like it does. The belt goes off and on. That is so cute.
Hey, howdy, hey. Where's my rope? This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Ooh. Ooh. I should keep a camera on it and see if it really comes to life.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! I want all the other characters.
You're not getting away from us, bandit. Hey, who's got my hat?
It's on your head. Okay, everybody, I'm going to give you a review. This thing is so nice. The hat's nice. Everything. It's good quality and it's heavy duty. I like the boots. I like everything about it. He's got 30 phrases. And I'm going to put him in my bed, up on my pillow, just like Toy Story. There's the side. And I give it 5 stars. I give it 5 out of 5 stars. I really like this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, everybody.